Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you already know from the title, it's gonna be a cooking video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make the most delicious smoky jollof rice. Okay, so without no further ado, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients to you guys, okay, and then we can start cooking. So guys, these are some of the ingredients that we're going to be using for this recipe. I've already opened this, but it is a tomato puree. It's fresh, it's just that it's canned. We're going to be using some bay leaf, of course. I have chopped onions, I have some curry powder, some thyme. Then this balm, I want to make some coleslaw, okay? And seasoning cube. We're not going to be needing much seasoning. We have salt to taste. Then here I have in a sieve my tomato mix. Okay, I have tatashi, I have shombe, I have some garlic, I have some ginger and some onions. So I just left it here because I need the water to drain out so I can put it in my oven and smoke it. Okay, that's what you need for your smoky effect in your jollof rice. All right, so this is what I'm going to be using for my coleslaw. I have my cabbage and I have my my carrots. And for my cooking oil, guys, I wanted to show you these two oil. It's 100% vegetable oil, no cholesterol whatsoever. I rave about these two oil a lot. Okay, one is from Unico, as you can see, and this one is canola oil. 100% healthy, guys. So yeah, if you can get your hands on this oil, please do. Okay, and of course we're gonna be needing some rice for our jollof rice. Okay, the rice that I use is a foreign rice. Okay, I've forgotten the name of the brand, but it's a foreign rice. So that's it for this recipe. Our chicken is cooked earlier, I told you. Now I'm frying some, and I'm going to be smoking it as well with the tomato mix. So yeah, the vegetables is drained, and I'm going to be adding some of the chicken. The chicken is frying now, okay, and I'm going to season it with some seasoning cubes, some salt. You don't need much, okay. It's the smoky effect that is the major ingredient in this recipe, okay. So yeah, I'm going to be adding the chicken because I also want to smoke it, okay. I'm going to fry some, and I'm not going to fry some. I'm going to be adding not everything but some of the chicken inside on this, okay, while I put it in my oven to smoke. I'll go ahead and start popping. Hey loves, so right now we're done with the prepping. We've smoked the vegetables that we're going to be using. We've boiled our meat. We've fried some. We also smoked some of the chicken with the vegetable together. Okay, you've seen the ingredients. We've prepped everything. So let's get right into I'm just going to sieve this meat in the bowl because we are going to be needing our. So we're first going to add our cooking oil, like so. You don't need much oil, just a little. And we'll add our chopped onions. Add some salt. You can also add the salt before the onion. Anyone. Okay, guys, I've already gone ahead to add the tomato puree that I showed you guys earlier with the mix. Alright? Yeah. The blended mix. And it's boiling nicely. And then I'll pour in my stock. I'll pour everything. I'll pour in my stock so that I'll know the taste before adding the seasoning. So this is the stock that I have. I'm gonna pour everything, guys. Everything. Because it's the stock that is the sweetness. So it's boiling nicely. Ooh, this is going to be the most delicious jollof ever. Gonna have a taste. Tastes nice. The taste is coming alive. I'll add some bay leaf. I'll add some thyme. Just a little because we added thyme in the stock. I'll add some curry powder, a little as well. Some more cubes. Coming alive. Mind you, I'm not going to add any other water to this jollof rice. Okay, so this is how we're going to pour our rice once the water is boiled. I also like to add some little crayfish. Yeah, this amount is okay. It's actually perfect. And some pepper. Yeah, I like spicy food, so So I'm going to cover it up and allow it to boil nicely, after which we'll go ahead and pour. So guys, is it the stew? The stew for the jollof is boiling nicely, right? So I'll go ahead and start prepping for my coleslaw. So guys, I've grated the cabbage with some carrots. I just need a little, okay? So I'm gonna be using this to mix it up. This is a Bam. I hope you guys can see. It's a mayonnaise, but from the brand Bam. So yeah, I'm gonna be mixing that all up. I like it much. I'm supposed to mix it with a Sprite, but I don't have a Sprite. So, and also this is a cabbage and carrot is a very sweet sweet vegetable. So if you don't want to add bama, you can go ahead and have your coleslaw like that, okay? If you want it to be so healthy, if you're the healthy kind of person, yeah, just go ahead and do whatever you want to do. I think I should add more. Yeah. Let me add more, guys. I love it with so much bama. So see how it is? Yes. This is the coleslaw that I love, guys, and I'm going to be having it with my jollof rice as soon as it's cooked. Delicious meal, guys. Typical Nigerian meal. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna cover this up. Don't mind the mess, guys. When you're grating this carrot and when you're grating the carrot and the what's it called, the cabbage, the tendencies for you to make a mess is quite high. So I poured out some because it's too much for the cup of rice that I want to cook, or the cups of rice. So I think this will do for the amount of rice I need. So I'll go in and pour my rice. Oh god, this is so sweet, guys. This tastes so good. This rice has been, it was parboiled and properly washed, so it has been draining nicely because I don't need any extra water, right? So I'm going to be adding this rice, and then I'll cover it up. Anyway, you guys will see what I'm doing. So trying to be careful because I don't want rice all over my floor. Yeah, because you should know that the first thing you do when you enter the kitchen is to wash your hands. So my hands are clean, guys. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Oh my god. So I'm going to use a foil and cover this pot up so that it can cook. I'm going to bring out this foil and use it and cover this pot up. I don't want to wait for this. I placed it on my oven rack to grill the whatever because I don't have an oven pan. So yeah. And then I'm going to cover it up like so. See? Make sure it sits properly. Because you need the heat. It's the heat that you need though to cook this rice, not necessarily water. Okay? So yeah, try and make it to look all nice. I know there is a lot of oil on the foil, but it's not a problem. So now I would reduce to the lowest flame, okay? To the lowest flame of my cooking gas, okay? And I'll carry this up and stir nicely. See, guys, woo! This is quite delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the meat that I fried and smoked earlier. I'm also gonna add some. This one is not fried and it's just straight out of the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of there. And yeah. Oh, guys. This jollof is everything. Oh! See the color now. See the color. See the color of my jollof. See the color. And very, very delicious as well. Smoky jollof rice. Okpo. Okpo, okpo, okpo. And very soft. Perfect. So this is the time you can add your butter to it, and also add some vegetables like onions and some fresh tomatoes to it. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Oh god, you see, it's burnt a bit, which also gives it another interesting aroma and taste to the jollof. I'm so proud. I'm so proud, guys. Cooking is not easy, but it's sure therapeutic. So if you're the type that likes to cook, whether you are a man or a woman, go ahead and enjoy what you like doing. Yeah. So yes, guys, we've come to the end of this video, so I'll just go ahead and just dish out my food and try to plate it in a nice way. Okay, I'm gonna try my best. I'm not really perfect with plating, but I'm gonna try my best. This is how I deliciously plated my meal. Yes, please make sure to like this video and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye.